Start tayo sa part 2, background nung mostly background ng NDT ginagamit natin. Tatlo lang naman tong parati natin mini-mention sa presentation na ito. Yung RT, UT, saka PAUT, TFD. What is non-destructive testing? So, ang non-destructive testing is essentially inspection method in ensuring that defects in welds are detected during fabrication, construction, prior to being put in use based as per standard talaga siya. To meet yung purpose ng structure or yung vessel na ginagawa natin, yung intended purpose or lifetime niya. So generally, may classification sa NDT. Lately lang to. Dati wala namang ganito. And the NDT methods are generally classified as conventional and advanced. Conventional, yung mga old school na inspection. Then nagkaroon tayo ng advanced. Nasabi nga natin sa part 1. Dahil sa advancement ng technology, nagkaroon ng mga bagong test method. But this yung mga bagong test method, based pa rin dun sa mga conventional NDT. Nagkaroon lang siya ng improvements dahil sa technology. Lalo natin na-enhance yung mga attributes ng mga dating conventional NDT. So, hindi dito ni-re-embed yung, yung wheel. In-improve lang. So, nandun na talaga yung mga technology. Nagkaroon lang ng mga advancement sa kung paano i-implement ang mga conventional NDT. So, nagkaroon ng advanced methods. Conventional methods are techniques that have matured over the course of decades and at this time have become well documented in codes, standards, and best practices. So, yung mga conventional methods, definitely, tested na yan. Determine na kung saan siya, yung mga strengths niya, saka yung mga limitations. So, ang mga codes ay mostly nag-concentrate lang naman talaga sa conventional NDT methods until lately lang. So, what is advanced methods? As nabanggit nga natin, advanced methods tend to be less understood as they progress as emerging technologies, e.g. uncertain advantages or limitation, lack of technician qualification criteria or little to no industry codification. However, in recent years, advanced methods are now being incorporated in most major construction codes. Dahil nga bago pa siya, marami pang naninibago sa improvement ng mga advanced NDT methods. Ngayon pa lang siya ini-implement sa mga projects. So, generally, as nabanggit nga natin dun sa part 1, maraming assistant na mag-implement ito, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, because there are requirements na kailangan ma-meet. So, kulang ng mga resources sa pag-implement ito dahil bagong technology, wala pa, hindi pa available. True lang to during the early implementation ng advanced NDT, but recently and slowly na-implement na kasi naintindihan na ng mga contractors, nagkaroon na ng mga training ng mga technicians, then yung mga equipment ay available na. Yung mga NDT methods na ito ay volumetric ang purpose para may inspection ng weld. So, means volumetric, yung weld volume ang ine-examine, yung weld body. Hindi lang sa surface, pati internal ng weld. Kasi may mga NDT methods na hanggang surface lang or subsurface, naiiwan yung weld body, yung volume talaga. So, Dalawa lang actually, kasi yung ultrasonic testing, bukod sa RT, yung ultrasonic testing is under or over siya ng phase array ultrasonic testing, time of flight diffraction. Ultrasonic testing pa rin yun. Because of technology lang, nagkaroon siya ng ibang method on how to utilize yung principle ng ultrasonic testing. So, before we proceed, kasi may mga kasama tayo rito ngayon na most likely hindi pa naka-encounter kung ano itong mga binabanggit natin na RT, UT, or medyo naririnig lang. Gusto kong ipakita itong video na ito para maintindihan ng mga kasama natin or yung iba na hindi pa roon ng chance na ma-encounter yung NDT, specifically RT, UT, then PAUT, TUFD, para at least kahit pa paano maintindihan yung proseso or yung methods.
Radiographic inspection, there's no need for surface preparation before testing. But you do need to have access to both sides of the component. The film, which is highly sensitive to X-rays, is placed on one side, and the X-ray source is carefully located opposite.
The X-rays go through the material and generate a radiographic image on the film or imaging plate once processed. The experienced eye of the examiner interprets the image, and he can now determine the quality of the inspected object and if it meets the standards.
In conventional UT inspection, the probe is rastered in and out from the weld with overlap while observing the A scan display for indications. Indications are marked on the weld when detected, and statistical information written on the inspection report. The end result is a paper report signed by the inspector, for which the results are greatly dependent on skill and experience. Phased array inspection provides a more thorough and faster inspection by use of multiple element programmable probes and scanners. Phased array inspections are regulated by the same codes and acceptance standards used in conventional UT, such as ASME, EN, and similar. The probe is scanned parallel to the weld line from a predetermined position, and the data is recorded. At the end of the acquisition, the data file is saved and recorded to the SDHC card for analysis directly on the OmniScan or offline using OmniPC software. The TOFT inspection technique uses two conventional probes and a single A-scan in a pitch-catch configuration. The OmniScan software wizards assist the user in the configuration of the UT and scanner. Select the A-B layout from the interactive title bar and start acquisition on the instrument. Move the probes along the weld line in a slow, smooth, steady scan. Select the pause button and save the data to the SDHC memory card.
So nakita nyo na yung video, very brief lang talaga, hindi siya masyadong detailed kasi kung i-detail natin yun, una, hindi maintindihan. Para maintindihan mo yung so mag-uumpisa ka talaga sa basic training, pataas ng pataas yun hanggang magkaroon ka na ng thorough knowledge sa mga bawat NDT. Maraming klase ng NDT. But again, on this presentation, backgrounder lang tayo. enumerate lang yung mga processes kung paano ginagawa yung mga test methods na ito. Then yung mga disadvantages sa limitations siguro. Then hanggang doon lang po tayo.